How to add your school to your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here. After that click these 3 points in the top corner and then click edit profile, then scroll down, click education, and here is it. Now just click add school, and here we can add your school. Just select anything you want here and then save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.